Army brats, children of retired or serving army personnel. What makes army brats so special, so unique, and why brats? First of all, brats stand for born, raised, and transferred. It is not a slang, and all army kids wear it with a pride. It is a badge of pride for them. And these are the children who have mostly lived with their moms and groomed and sheltered under the wings of a strong woman. No wonder they believe in feminism and respect women a lot. However, when the time comes, they will love their dads the most. And as they grow up, it suddenly becomes irrelevant that their dads have never actually been present for their PTMs or even birthday parties for that matter. These army brats are certainly different from regular usual kids. Their lives and stories are different from their civilian counterparts, kids their age. And I will tell you what makes an army brat a brat. An army brat might be living in a haunted house in the jungles of Assam at one instance, only to be transferred to a place like Leh, where he would be dealing with the frozen pipes. And it is just not deserts or rivers or mountains he has lived in. He is also well acquainted with the idea of living in a big metro, fast-paced metro life, places like Bangalore, Calcutta, Delhi, all thanks to dad's posting. So it is not like they're not aware of the civilization. In fact, they adjust better than most kids because they have a training to be living in a big city to a rural setup, places like Jhangar or Devlali, the names you would not even have heard of. But these army kids, they don't really belong to one place or one state. Their grandparents might be Gujarati, Marathi or Bihari. But all army brats, they identify themselves as being Indian first. That's their identity. They also value camaraderie and bonds of friendship a lot. Trust them to have at least one friend in every city or every state of India. And also, one army brat meeting another army brat for the first time, trust them to have at least one mutual friend between them. All thanks to the postings at all around the country. It's typical of army brats things. Also, these army brats are super patriotic. They believe in maroon berets more than the Avengers. Superman is not their hero. They fear CMP more than the state police. They remember their dad's IC number by their heart more than their roll number, I would say. And their army dependent card is perhaps their most prized possession. And these army brats, when they watch movies like Border or Lakshya, they'll get super nostalgic because these movies will remind them of their dads. For these army brats, polo, horse riding, and squash, these are not sports. These are mere hobbies. They have lived in a surrounding where everybody is into sports and fitness. And these Fauji kids, whether they live in army or not, they imbibe this mental and physical fitness routine all throughout their life. And also, these army brats speak multiple languages, but they also have their own lingo. Believe it or not, words like Hector, helipad, tanks, foxtrot, alpha, bravo, MT, RMO, Jai Hind, they have learnt it in the kindergarten itself. Also, if you ever thought that Fauji brats are not resilient, listen to their stories of living in a one-room accommodation with their entire family for months. And there would be like 25 crates, trunks, driftwood, peg table, center table, and also pets. So if you ever thought यार तो Fauji brat से बड़े नखरे हैं, get your facts right. And also these army brats, they are born fighters, they are survivors, and they are certainly not snobs because peer जो होते हैं वो कभी कहते हैं यार या तो आर्मी ब्रैट है ये तो बिल्कुल ही स्नॉब है. They are not snob. It's just that they have got a little attitude which they have inherited from their fathers, and it is justified, I guess. And they're also not insensitive or move on quickly as accused by their friends again. It's just that they are practical and they have seen life in a manner you would have not. They have more exposure to life and experiences than you can ever imagine. So love them, hate them, it doesn't really matter. And if you ever wondered about resilience of Priyanka Chopra or fearlessness of Arnab Goswami, give it to their roots. They are Fauji brats just like a million others in the country, and it does not really matter what you think of them. They are very proud about their Fauji heritage, their Fauji roots. They take immense honor in being the kids of a father who has served the nation. And whatever you call them, trust them that these children have found their balance in chaos. They have been taught that duty comes first, and these kids would stand at the national anthem without questioning. And they don't need to be given answers about why one should stand for Tiranga. They know why one should stand for Tiranga, and because they know what it takes to make a nation. They believe in the idea of nation and principles of freedom it stands for. This is Army Brat for you, and this is an appreciation post for all the Army Brats all around the globe. You guys simply rock. You are fabulous. Thank you, and hats off to you just for being who you are and surviving like a boss, like a pro. All my hearts to you, all my love to you. All hail to Army Brats. Jai Hind.